In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to lower file size in OBS Studio without destroying your video quality. If your recordings are taking up too much space or you're running out of storage way too fast, this method will help you get smaller files while still keeping your videos clean and professional. This works for gameplay recording, tutorials, screen captures, and pretty much anything you record in OBS. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more OBS and software tutorials. All right, let's jump right into it. First, we're going to start with the most important setting that affects file size, and that's your encoder. Open OBS Studio and click on Settings in the bottom right. From there, go to the Output tab. By default, many people are using the X264 encoder, which relies heavily on your CPU. While it works, it's not always the most efficient option for file size. If you have a dedicated graphics card or a modern CPU, switching to a hardware encoder can make a big difference. In the encoder dropdown, select OBS NVENC if you're using an NVIDIA GPU. If you're on AMD, choose AMD AMF. If you're on Intel, select QuickSync. These hardware encoders are designed to compress video more efficiently while keeping quality high and file sizes lower. If none of these options are available, you can still use X264, but make sure the CPU usage preset is set to low CPU usage. This balances performance and compression better than the default settings. Next, we're going to change the rate control, which has a massive impact on how large your recordings are. Still in the output settings, look for rate control. If you're recording and not streaming, CQP is what you want. Change rate control from CBR to CQP. CQP stands for constant quality, and it allows OBS to use more data only when needed, instead of forcing a constant bitrate the entire time. Once you select CQP, you'll see the CQ level option. Set this somewhere between 20 and 25. A lower number means higher quality and larger file sizes, while a higher number means lower quality and smaller files. For most people, a CQ level of around 22 or 23 is the sweet spot. It gives you great visual quality while keeping file sizes much more manageable. Now let's talk about resolution and frame rate, because this is another huge factor in file size. Go to the Video tab in OBS Settings. First, look at Output Scaled Resolution. If you're currently recording at 1920 by 1080, consider dropping this to 1280 by 720. For most tutorials and gameplay videos, 720p still looks perfectly fine and reduces file size significantly. Next, check common FPS values. If this is set to 60 FPS, changing it to 30 FPS can cut your file size almost in half. Unless you're recording fast-paced gameplay where high frame rate really matters, 30 FPS is more than enough for tutorials, walkthroughs, and educational content. Once you've made these changes, click Apply and then OK. From this point on, your OBS recording should be much smaller without a noticeable drop in quality. You'll save storage space, uploads will be faster, and your system will run more efficiently while recording. And that's how you lower file size in OBS Studio the right way. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy OBS tips and software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.